Khaman Dhokla is a delicious, steamed, savory, nutritious chickpea flour cake that is both light and packed with flavor. Perfect for anyone looking for a tasty yet healthy snack. Here is a super simple Khaman Dhokla recipe my friend Nidhi sent me.
To make Khaman Dhokla, mix together 1.5 cups of gram flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and give the ingredients a good mix. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 3/4 cup of water, but do not add all the water at the same time. Start mixing and then add water little by little till the cake batter is smooth and easy to pour. If the batter turns out too runny, add a few tablespoons of gram flour or semolina. Now grease the 6 times 10-inch baking pan with some cooking oil. And just before steaming, add 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt to the batter and give the batter a quick mix. Then pour the batter into a cake tin. Now place a trivet or inverted bowl in a large pot with water and bring the water to a boil. Then put your batter-filled pan on top, but so that the pan is not touching the water. Cover the pot with a lid and steam over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Check the dhokla with a toothpick to make sure it is fully cooked. If the toothpick comes out clean, it is ready. If not, steam for a few more minutes. Then leave it to cool down. Now, heat 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in a pan and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 5 green chilies and fry for a few minutes. Then, add a few curry leaves, half a cup of water mixed with a dash of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a dash of chopped coriander leaves, and simmer for 1 minute and leave it aside for a moment. Now carefully remove the Khaman Dhokla from the cake tin and cut it into even squares. Then pour the tempering mixture evenly over the steamed and sliced Khaman Dhokla. Garnish it with green chilies and grated coconut.
If you liked this light and nutritious Khaman Dhokla recipe, then check out also how to make this perfectly moist, sweet, and spicy Sri Lankan coconut cake here. Check it out now.